and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. This is my last assembly election, declares Sr Rane in an exclusive interview with Prudent. Says he will prefer Lok Sabha or hang his boots. Sheila Dikshit defends family tickets, says BJP making hollow promises on reduction in price rise. National Election Watch highlights candidates in major political parties with criminal cases. Criminal cases pending against 30 candidates. And Goa will get all the technical support to successfully conduct Lusophonia Games 2013, says Portugal Olympic Committee's Secretary General Manuel de Silva. Now the news in detail. This will be the last assembly election of Goa's senior most legislator and Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Pratap Singh Rane. Sr Rane announced this decision in an exclusive interview with Prudent. Rane said that he will prefer to be a Lok Sabha MP in future, else he will exit from active politics. This is Rane's first ever detailed television interview.
Campaign चालना बरें, पण एकूच ज्या तरेन रंग आसतालो पयलीं कॅम्पेनाक इलेक्शन कमिशनचे काही आचारसंहिता आनी ती मातशी कडक जाल्ली आसा.
खंय तरी अतिरेक जाला स्ट्रिक्टपणाचो
अशें म्हाका दिसता की दोगांकूय तेजी बंधनां सारकी लेखी आसूंक जाय. अमूक करूंक जाय अमूक करूंक ती बंधनां करणाऱ्यांक आनी बंधनां पाळणाऱ्यांक दोगांकूय सारकें आसूंक जाय. तें सद्या खंय तरी चुकल्या वरी दिसता.
पक्षाक जर गरज पडली फाल्यां तुमचे मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून परत जाल्यार तुमी आसतले.
पळोवया कितें आतां पयलीं मेजॉरिटी येवनी इलेक्शन जावनी जावपाचें आहा.
हे घडये दीस इज द लास्ट इलेक्शन आय एम कॉन्टेस्टिंग. खरी गजाल.
इज अ फॅक्ट. कित्याक आय एम 73. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू म्हाका फुडलीं 5-10 वर्सां तेच्या नंतर म्हाका आय वॉन्ट टू डू वॉट आय लव रिडींग. ती म्हाजी लायब्ररी आसा. तितूंत पुस्तकां आसात भरपूर. वेगवेगळी नवी नवी पुस्तकां वाचता. आनी म्हाका एग्रीकल्चर इज माय फर्स्ट लव. थंय म्हाका
ही लास्ट 5 वर्सां हें ठरयलां सारकें. फुडलें इलेक्शन
म्हाका एखादें म्हाका जर तेंच्यांनी लोकसभेक चल म्हणटा आय वूडंट मायंड. गेट अ न्यू एक्सपिरियन्स.
अशेंय म्हणटात की तुमकां राज्यपाल करपाचो प्रस्ताव.
शी राज्यपाल प्रेज हांव तें.
तुमकां इच्छा ना राज्यपाल.
ना शी
कित्याक लागून
ते प्रेज हांव म्हणलें न्हू.
स्टेचर
नो आय वूड लायक
मुख्यमंत्री पद सुद्दां बारीक कशें अशें स्टेचराचेर पावल्यात.
ना म्हाका शेती करूंक जाय. राज्यपाल बी ते सोडून दिया. ते राज्यपाल कोणाक जायचे दिसता तेंच्यांनी करचे. ती फिता कापपाक म्हाका वचपाचें ना.
सो मॅक्झिमम जाल्यार हाजे उपरांत
लोकसभा गेला लोकसभा नाल्यार घरा.
Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit, is in Goa campaigning for the Congress party. She said there is no harm in allotting tickets within the family. She said that voters will choose their candidate. She alleged that the BJP is merely making hollow promises about reducing the petrol prices. Sheila Dikshit, in a press conference on Friday, said that allotting tickets within the family brings no harm. When asked whether family tickets will be allotted in Delhi, she said such a step will be taken only when such applications come in. She also said that ultimately it is the voter who makes the choice.
You cannot become a politician unless you are accepted by the people. So this is not a family affair. If these children, wives, brothers, sisters, families, whoever they are, if they do not and are rejected by the people have the right to reject them.
She also took a dig at the BJP. She said that BJP is making hollow promises to the people of declining the petrol prices.
देखिए, ये बात बीजेपी का मैं इसलिए कहना चाहती हूँ कि बीजेपी बहुत सारी चीज़ें कहती है और करती नहीं है. BJP, as all of you know, won an election on the government of India, the central government election, on the promise that they would construct a temple in Ayodhya. They were there in government for 5 years. They never constructed the temple. So their promises are promises which are hollow and made merely to get votes.
However, South Goa MP Francisco Sardinia said that Pratima Coutinho is working for the upliftment of the Congress party even when her husband is contesting on Trinamool Congress ticket.
See, there are two things.
She's voting both.
I'll have to ask her, I don't know.
No, but I'm sure she's supporting both.
Yes, she is campaigning for the Congress government, for the Congress candidate, because we have performed last 5 years and even before, and people of Goa know that for further confirmation, for further improvement, only Congress can deliver the goods.
A senior reporter Rakesh Kandulkar with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi. All major political parties in the state have candidates with criminal cases registered against them. National Election Watch in its report says there are total 30 candidates in the fray who have criminal cases pending against them.
National Election Watch has analyzed the affidavits of the candidates submitted to the Election Commission. It contains an info regarding their assets, educational background and record regarding crimes if accused of. The analysis report states that all the major political parties have given tickets to candidates who have criminal cases registered against them. Congress and BJP has 9 candidates each with pending criminal cases. AITC has 4, NCP 2, GVP, MGP and UGDP has 1 each. 3 independent candidates have pending criminal cases against them. Out of these 30 candidates, 7 have declared registered serious criminal cases like attempt to murder, theft, extortion pending against them. Top 10 candidates with criminal cases are Miki Pacheco, GVP, 10 criminal cases, Arjun Anil Salgaonkar, Independent, 3 criminal cases, Shyam Satardekar, Congress, 3 criminal cases, Babush Monserrat, Congress, 2 criminal cases, Govind Gowde, Independent, 2 criminal cases, Saplesh Desai, AITC, 2 criminal cases, Jennifer Monserrat, Congress, 1 criminal case, Nilkant Halankar, NCP, 1 criminal case, and Ramakant Borkar, UGDP, 1 criminal case. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.